How to set favorite ringtone in iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to set your favorite ringtone on your iPhone, whether it's a built-in tone or a custom song. I'll guide you step by step, so let's get started. First things first, if you want to use an iPhone's built-in ringtone or a previously purchased tone, just follow these steps. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and simply tap on sounds and haptics. Now tap on ringtone. Just select your favorite ringtone from the list. You can simply find over here. This is the all the built-in ringtones from Tone Store. Also, you can simply find all the ringtones that you have purchased, and that's it. Your new ringtone will be set for all incoming calls.